All right, we're going to talk about how to route audio from WebSDR to digital mode decoding software. This is a talk about doing this in Windows. This would be widely different in Mac or Linux. First off, I use virtual audio cable. It is a pay program. It's about $30 for the license. And I've had it for years, since the probably since about 99, I believe. I've had it for a long time, and it's been great. I have had to ask some questions, and I've got responses, so I would highly recommend this over anything else. There may be a free solution, I just don't know what it is, because I've always used this. Once you install virtual audio cable, just a simple installer, you need to go and make sure that you have a virtual audio cable. You don't need two of them. I use two of them for some specialized stuff, but just setting one cable in here would be fine. And essentially you select one cable. The only thing I change basically from default is, by default, this is 22,050 to 48,000 for the sample rate. And I change that up to 192,000 in order to be able to get the best resolution with FFTs and stuff. But other than that, everything's basically default. Once you get your settings set, remember to hit this set button in the corner or it won't save anything. Once you have that done, we need to go into Windows Sound options and change your output device from whatever your speakers or headset, whatever you had it set at before. And again, this may be different depending on what your computer's sound interface is. In my case, it's a Realtek high definition audio device. Yours may be different. Again, just select one of your virtual audio cables. Whichever you select, if you have more than one, we have to use that through the whole process. So in this case, I'm going to select line 1 virtual audio cable. Once that's set, in order to hear the audio, you have to repeat it from the virtual audio cable back to your speakers. This little audio Repeater MME program comes with virtual audio cable, and all you have to do is open it. Select your wave in device to line 1 virtual audio cable, your wave out device to whatever your wave out's going to be, and click start. Once that's done, you can go and open your digital mode software of choice. I'm going to show 3 different ones here, but pretty much any digital mode software that uses a Windows sound interface will work with this. So with MultiPSK, once you get it installed, just go up to the sound card input on the setup window that pops up when you load it. Select virtual audio cable line 1 here, and then go to your RxTX screen and you'll be good to go. With PC-HFDL, when it first pops up, once you install it and you load it, it'll pop up with this sound card selection. Select line 1 virtual audio cable and make sure that line input's selected. Once that's done, you go to System Options, Channel Config, and then Channel A. If you are receiving VHF ACARs, select that one. If it's HFDL, select HF. That's basically all there is to that. Again, I'm not going to go into how to use these pieces of software, just how to get the audio into them in this. Next up, we've got FLDigi. Install the software. Once you get it installed, go to Configure, Config dialog, maximize sound card, go to Devices. You may have to check this checkbox in front of Port Audio, and then on Capture, change that to the line 1 virtual audio cable. Click Save and Close, and you'll be in business there. Again, that's the end of this talk. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll do my best to answer them. Happy hunting!